In the previous video, we saw how to do the addition of simple fractions when denominators are same and different. Now we'll look how to do the subtraction. So say 3 upon 4 minus 1 upon 4. In case of addition, we just did the addition of numerators. Now we'll do subtraction. It will become 3 minus 4 and denominator remaining as it is, which is equal to 2 upon 4, which is equal to 1 upon 2. Or let's say we'll take another example, minus 2 upon 6. So it will become 5 minus 2 upon 6 equal to 3 upon 6. You can keep 3 upon 6 as it is, or you can reduce it to 1 by 2.